Today we show you the professional digital signage. Firstly, we check the interface. Here is the USB SD card, volume up, volume down, DC in, and this side is for push button GPIO. Also, you can add this protector for anti-theft. Now we turn it on. It support power on, auto loop play, USB auto copy function, copy the content from USB to internal memory. And also you can switch the content. See, here is 00, when we press here, 01, 02, 03 for switch. After it play this photo video, it will come back to loop video. It does not play full HD video format.